Extract mode is one of the Hummer EV's most powerful and unique features. It adjusts torque, traction, and suspension to help you power through obstacles like sandy beaches, muddy trails, rocky terrain, or flooded streets. This thing can do it. It basically gives you extra control when you need it the most. You're going to want to go to the drive mode knob and you're going to turn this over until you reach terrain mode. It's going to list out all the other modes that you do have on here. There's normal, there's my mode. Then you're just going to go off-road and terrain. When you switch to terrain, electronic stability control will be reduced for optimum drive performance. You're going to accept that when it pops up on the screen. So now that the vehicle's in terrain mode, which you can double check in the vehicle tab underneath altitude, you're going to want to go up to this little picture of a Hummer that has an arrow pointing up. You're going to want to press this 1, 2, 3 times and it'll go into extract mode. Once you do that, you're going to hear a bit of a hiss, and that is the sound from the suspension system lifting up the Hummer EV. And it's also going to blink on your digital dash and let you know that it's actually working and it's lifting up the vehicle. You will physically be able to feel it. It's not so much that it like jerks you around, but you will be able to tell that the vehicle is being lifted up. So in normal mode, the Air Ride Adaptive Suspension System is going to give you around 10.2 inches of ground clearance. And then once you switch over to increase mode, it's going to give you another 2 inches of ground clearance right there. And then when you switch over to extract mode, you're going to get a total of 15.9 inches of ground clearance, which is just insane. Perfect timing, it's starting to rain. Hopefully this video helped you guys out on the tutorial on how to put a Hummer EV into extract mode. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because we are going to be putting out a whole bunch more content, tutorial videos, walkthroughs, whatever it may be. I'm Miguel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.